Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 541 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, HUT.TO has repaid a $20 million loan, EQOS has launched Ethereum perpetual futures, Future FinTech has been granted blockchain software copyrights, and NetSense has reported its February transactions volumes. Just before we get into the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review, and I also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. HUT.TO Mining Corp, which trades on the TSX under the ticker symbol HUT, has announced that it has paid back its $20 million U.S. loan with Genesis Global Capital LLC in full. The company's CEO, Jamie Leverton, commented, quote, "The benefits of this loan and its repayment for HUT.TO signal the execution of our multi-pronged strategy to grow shareholder value. We look to reduce expenses without reducing the Bitcoin on our balance sheet. We look for revenue diversification strategies to provide increased downside risk protection. This is what HUT.TO is about and what we intend to keep doing as we grow." End quote. EQOS, the institutional-grade cryptocurrency exchange of DigiNex Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol EQOS, has announced the launch of its Ethereum perpetual futures. According to the press release, these futures are designed to allow professional traders and institutional investors to take a directional position on Ethereum using USD coin as collateral in an environment that is fair and transparent. DigiNex CEO Richard Byworth said, quote, "Derivatives such as perpetual futures play a key role in the strategies of institutional investors and are the preferred choice for many institutions when it comes to accessing cryptocurrencies. As such, they are pivotal in the growth of the digital asset class. We continue to add product to the platform, allowing us to become a one-stop shop for digital assets for our client base. We are dedicated to driving the rapid advancement and professionalization of the cryptocurrency derivatives market." End quote. Blockchain e-commerce firm Future FinTech Group, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol FTFT, has received registration certificates for 10 software copyrights related to blockchain technology applications issued by the China National Copyright Administration. Future FinTech CEO Shanchun Huang explained, quote, "These software applications could also be used in traditional manufacturing, e-commerce, the financial industry, and monetary payment systems, which may substantially lower transaction costs, reduce the consumption of human and material resources, and create a payment system that is more diverse and modernized. In addition, the software applications will effectively promote the construction of an electronic enterprise payment system and further help enterprises improve efficiencies and reduce costs while making the use of digital financial services more extensive." End quote. NetSense Technology, Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol NC, has revealed its transaction volume results for February 2021, indicating over $6,700,000 processed for the month. The company's founder and CEO, Clayton Moore, had this to say, quote, "These are exciting times at NetSense. We started 2021 with the strongest month in NetSense history. These results demonstrate our plan of investing in industry-leading customer service and marketing is paying off. Our performance proves our model is working and our business is solid. We have great people and products in place to chart continued growth in 2021. In a highly dynamic environment, what we are doing is working. As we continue to execute on our strategic priorities, we believe we are well positioned to deliver sustainable growth over the long term." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.